So we'll have the answer for the previous question. F is equal to 1 by 2 pi square root of LC. Why we are using this? Because the current is maximum when you have resonance condition. So 1 by 2 into 3.14 into square root of, what is the value of L they have given us? The L value is I think 8 Henry they have given. So 8 into the capacitance is 2 into 10 power minus 6 farad. 2 microfarad they have given, 10 power minus 6 farad. So when you plug in, you get the resonance frequency of about 39.8 hertz. This is what you get, the resonance frequency. And now peak value of current, that is I naught. I naught is equal to E naught by R. I can directly write R. Why? Because you see, Z is equal to square root of XL minus XC whole square plus R square. Actually, it is E naught by Z. Actually, this I naught is equal to E naught by Z. Why I am able to write this is XL is equal to XC at the resonance condition. I get Z is equal to R. I said the impedance is minimum at the resonance condition. So E naught by R. The E naught value is about, you see the 200. That is E naught value. That's the peak value. Peak value means E naught value. 200 divided by the resistance is 100. So that's 2 amps for you. That is the I naught. And you can find the what is impedance, what is the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance, both are same. So that will be 2 pi omega L, no? So 2 pi F L. So 2 pi 2 into 3.14 into F is about what they have given the frequency 39.8 is what the resonance frequency 39.8 we got, and now multiplied by that L is 8 Henry. So plug in all the values, so you get about 2000, close to 2000 ohms, approximately 2000 ohms. This is what you get. And Z is equal to R equal to 100 ohms. They asked what is the impedance of the circuit. That is nothing but the resistance itself at the resonance. Now please note it up to this part. The next part of the question will answer. Noted. Hopefully you would have
Noted,
noted.
sir.
Yeah. The voltage across inductor and resistor differ by a phase of 90 degrees. Differ by a phase of 90 degrees. Phase of 90 degrees. Similarly, voltage across a capacitor and a resistor differ by a phase of 90 degrees. differ by a phase of 90 degrees. This you have to know.
Noted, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's move on. Now we will discuss something called quality factor. Quality factor, Q. It's also called Q factor of a LCR circuit. So what is the Q factor? Q factor. So it is a measure of I think my pen is stuck off. For some reason it got stuck. For some reason my pen got stuck. I don't know the why reason. Oh, can you log in once again, please? Please log in once again. There is some problem I'm
Okay,
facing.
sir.